Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class, we will discuss the remaining portion of exercise 3.1. Let us discuss that what is consistent and inconsistent solution. So let us discuss question number 3. Question number C is that on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So we have to identify the pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent. So to discuss this question, let us discuss this topic. So case number 1 is that A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So in this case, we are getting unique solution. And so what is consistent solution? When the pair of linear equation have solution, then we can say simply consistent. So in this case we are getting unique solution. That means in this case we say this is consistent solution. Case number 2. Case 2 is saying that A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. In this case we will get many solution. Okay. So many solution means we are getting any solution. So we know that the pair of linear equation having any solution, we can say consistent. So in this case we will say this is consistent solution. Case 3, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. In this case these pair of linear equation representing parallel lines. That means no solution is there. No solution is there. That means this is inconsistent solution. So whenever we will see this case number 1 and case number 2, we will say consistent solution, and if I say the case number 3, then this is inconsistent solution. Now let us discuss question number 3. So question number 1. So we will first compare the ratios A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 is for the question number 1. A1 is coefficient of x, that is 3, and A2 is coefficient of y, that is 2. A1 by A2 is 3 by 2. Next B1 by B2. So B1 by B2 is that for the question number 1, 2 by minus 3, and C1 by C2 is equals to 5 by 7. 5 by 7. So here we can see A1 by A2 equals to 3y by 2, B1 by B2 equals to 2 by minus 3, and that means you can say A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. That means it has unique solution. We see in case number 1 it has unique solution. So this is consistent solution. Consistent solution. Okay. Or you can say solution, you can write like this way also. So number 2, A1 by A2, if I compare A1 by A2, so 2 by 4, 2 by 4. Next B1 by B2 equals to minus 3 by minus 6. So next C1 by C2 equals to 8 by 9. 8 by 9. So if we simplify that, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, we get 1 by 2, and here 3 1 are 3, 6 is 6, that is 1 by 2 minus minus plus, and this is simplified only. Next, so we can see that A1 by A2 not equal to equals to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 and not equals to C1 by C2. So we see this case in case number 3, that is this pair of linear equation representing pair of linear parallel lines, and parallel lines means they have no solution. So no solution means this is inconsistent. This is inconsistent. Right. Next question number 3. Question number 3. If I compare find A1 by A2. So A1 by A2 equals to A1 is what? 3 by 2. A2 is what? 9. Now B1 by B2 means 5 by 3. 5 by 3. And B2 is what? Minus 10. Minus 10. Next C1 by C2. C1 is what? 7. So 7 by C2 is what? 14. So if I simplify this, so you can write 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. 3 3s are 9. So you can see this is 1 by 6. In this case, we will write 1 by 3 into minus 10 by 1. 5 by 3 into minus 10 by 1. So this is not simplify. Going to simplify. So with minus 50 by 3. And in this case, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, that is half. So you can see here A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 and not equal to C1 by C2. So we can write A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So this is case number 1, that is consistent solution. Consistent solution. Now question number 4. So question number 4, if I say A1 by A2 equals to 5 by minus 10 and B1 by B2 equals to minus 3 by plus 6. So minus 3 by plus 6 and C1 by C2 equals to 11 by minus 22. 11 by minus 22. So if I simplify it, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, that is minus 1 by 2. And in this case, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 3, that is minus 1 by 2. And in this case, 11 1 is 11, 11 2 is that is minus 1 by 2. That means A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. So this is case number 2. That means this two pair of linear equation representing a coincident line. That means these have many solution, and many solution means this is consistent. So this is consistent solution. These have consistent solution. Next, question number 5. A1 by A2 equals to A1 by A2. A1 is coefficient of x, that is 4 by 3 by x 2, and B1 by B2 equals to B is 2 and B1 is 3 and 2 and B3 is 3 and C1 by C2, that is 8 and 12. 8 by 12. So if I simplify that, 4 by 3 into, we will write 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4, that is 2 by 3, and here 2 by 3. And if I cancel, 4 2s are and 4 3s are. So 2 by 3. Here also A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C. Case number 2. That means they are representing coincident line, and coincident lines means they have infinitely many solution. Have many solution. So many solution means this is consistent solution. Consistent solution. Okay. So we discussed the 5 questions of question number 3 one by one. Okay, I hope you can understand these solutions.